Cisco Certified Network Associate. Welcome back everybody. I am AM Khan, your trainer for entire series. Today we would be learning about different types of shields used in STP, that is Shielded Twisted Pair Cable. This video is not only for the people who are going for the CCNA certification, but anybody who is interested to or looking to start a career in networking. Watch this because you are going to learn a lot. CCNA certification is very valuable certification. I urge everybody to go ahead and take the certification because it is going to add a lot of value. So different types of shields used in STP, that is Shielded Twisted Pair Cable. So Ethernet copper twisted pair cables are broadly classified into two: unshielded twisted pair, that is UTP cable, and shielded twisted pair, that is STP cable. So shielded twisted pair cable STP uses different shielding techniques to limit any signal from the cable or wire to escape and to reduce electromagnetic interference from outside environment. A shielded is an electrically conductive material that is used to wrap a wire or cable. Two main types of shields used for cables are foil and braid. Foil shielding uses a thin foil of aluminium. Foils provides complete coverage for the cables. Since the foil is thin, grounding work is difficult. A braid is another type of shielding used for shielded twisted pair, that is STP cables. A braid is a woven mesh of copper or similar metal wires. The main advantage is that the braid provides a low resistance path to ground. It is also easier to handle grounding. Disadvantages of braid is that braids do not cover the cable completely. The shielding in shielded twisted pair STP cables can reduce electromagnetic interference in two ways. One is shielding can reflect the electromagnetic interference back. We can ground the shielding so that shielding can pick the electromagnetic interference from surrounding environment and pass it to the ground through a drain wire. Shielded twisted pair, that is STP cables, are generally used for Ethernet cabling where there are heavy electrical equipment used and large number of electrical cables are there. So which can cause electromagnetic interference, for an example factories. So the following codes are widely used and adopted by TIA and EIA to represent different types of shielded twisted pair STP cables. So code is TP, that is meaning twisted pair. So U, that is unshielded, F, that is foil shielded, S, that is braid shielded. From codes described in the table, let's try to understand different types of shielded twisted pair, that is STP cables. That is F/UTP type of shielded twisted pair, that is STP cables. F/UTP type of shielded twisted pair, that is STP cables, have an overall foil shield, that is F, but twisted pairs are unshielded UTP. So the image shows that is F/UTP type of shielded twisted pair, that is STP cable. So another is S/UTP type of shielded twisted pair, that is STP cables. UTP type of shielded twisted pair, that is STP cables, have an overall braid shielded, that is S, but twisted pairs are unshielded UTP. The image shows that is S/UTP type of shielded twisted pair STP cables. So another is SF/UTP type of shielded twisted pair STP cables. So SF/UTP type of shielded twisted pair cables have overall braid shield, that is S, and also have overall foil shield, that is F, but twisted pairs are unshielded UTP. So the following image shows SF/UTP type of shielded twisted pair STP cable. So S/FTP type of shielded twisted pair cables, that is, have an overall braid shield, that is S. Twisted pairs are foil shielded FTP. The following image shows S/FTP type of shielded twisted pair STP cables. So another is F/FTP type of shielded twisted pair STP cables. That is, F/FTP type of shielded twisted pair cables have an overall foil shield, that is F. Twisted pairs are also foil shielded FTP. The following image shows F/FTP type of shielded twisted pairs STP cables. So another is its U/FTP type of shielded twisted pair STP cables. So U/FTP type of shielded twisted pair cables have no overall shield, no foil shield or braid shield. Twisted pairs are foil shielded, that is FTP. The following image shows U/FTP type of shielded twisted pair STP cable. So view and subscribe my channel Network Guru.